Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam Too Many Login Failures error message. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to click on the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you've clicked on it, type in Task Manager. This will bring up the Task Manager application in your search results. Go ahead and click on the Task Manager app that appears to open it up. Now, once Task Manager is open, you'll need to locate Steam Client Web Helper in the list of running processes. Once you find it, right-click on Steam Client Web Helper and select End Task from the menu that appears. This will force close that particular process, which can help clear any stuck login attempts that might be causing the error. Here's something really important to keep in mind at this point. You need to stop trying to log in immediately and wait at least 30 minutes to 2 hours before attempting to sign in again. In some cases, you might even need to wait up to 24 hours. Steam implements this temporary lockout as a security measure when it detects multiple failed login attempts. And trying to bypass this waiting period by repeatedly attempting to log in will only extend the lockout further. So patience here is absolutely critical to resolving this issue. While you're waiting, go ahead and disable any VPN you might be using. VPNs can sometimes trigger Steam security protocols, especially if you're connecting from different IP addresses or locations. Turning off your VPN ensures you're connecting with your regular IP address, which Steam will recognize as legitimate. After you've waited the appropriate amount of time and disabled your VPN, open the Steam app on your desktop. Once the Steam client loads, click on Help, I can't sign in. This option will take you to Steam's account recovery process, which is designed specifically to help users who are locked out of their accounts. From there, click on I forgot my Steam account name or password. This will allow you to reset your password through email. Steam will send you a verification email with instructions on how to create a new password and regain access to your account. This step is particularly useful if you're unsure whether you are entering the wrong credentials in the first place. Additionally, restarting your router could help with login failures. Sometimes network issues or cached connection data can contribute to login problems. Simply unplug your router for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for it to fully restart before trying to log into Steam again. And that's it! You've now addressed the too many login failures error through multiple methods, giving you the best chance of getting back into your Steam account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.